Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Kicking off with football, one of the 4 reggae boys who were in Saudi Arabia after being tested positive for COVID-19 is on his way home after being released on Monday. The player, who is locally based, was tested positive on arrival in the Middle East and again when the second test was done last Thursday. Another 2 who are based overseas will be released on Tuesday. The 4th member, a local-based player who played in the opening game, will be released on Friday after completing his 10-day isolation. Now, with a new structure of club football likely to become a reality within months, a couple of stakeholders have expressed contrasting views on the new format. More in this report. Andrew Price is not only the head coach of Humble Iron FC, but is also a national coach and president of Boys Town FC. He thinks the JFF's decision to increase the number of teams in the National Premier League from 12 to 16 is hasty at best.
I say make the league sustainable for 3 years where you are guaranteed that the clubs have enough money where they can survive, not from a hand-to-mouth basis, but where the league can make revenue that the clubs can survive easily. Then, if after 3 years of looking at this, you believe that it is sustainable, then you can think about expansion. Costa Rica, who has an even greater population and GDP than us, only has 12 teams, and their teams qualify every year to the CONCACAF final round.
But Elaine Walker-Brown, who is the current president of the St. Catherine FA and another long-time football administrator, says she has no issues with the new structure and thinks there is enough talent in the island to support it.
At the community level and at the parish level, they are quality players, I was very impressed with this transfer season. The amount of players that Premier League clubs saw in St. Catherine. And I'm not going to say keep them because the level that they are going now, it is not there other than 4 more and don't be all in.
Where Walker-Brown does agree with Price is that there is no need to pressure the authorities to have football return in the country given the concerns surrounding COVID-19.
You would not hear me say anything to the JFF because the JFF can tell I'm a very outspoken person. Nobody can shut me up and keep me quiet because I'm representing the people of St. Catherine where football is concerned. But common sense tell me that there's no need to say anything to the JFF.
Walker-Brown, who has been at the helm of the St. Catherine FA for a little over a year, has however admitted that the ongoing pandemic has stymied her efforts to clear debts where some of the stakeholders are concerned.
I was hoping because I telling I would have gotten this money by now and clear off this debt if it wasn't for COVID. And what I did in my $1 million, I make sure I clear off the referees for the year that we use them because we know that some of these persons depend on football.
There is still no definite timeline for the return of the National Premier League, which is still awaiting government clearance.